Hello, hello. Do you want to win a free dash cam or free iPhone 11 charger case? Or maybe you want this beautiful and amazing car seat organizer? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello, hello, and welcome to AccentOnCars. In today's video, I'm again here with a free giveaway for you guys. And this time, I have more prizes for you. You can see that there are 3 prizes behind me instead of 1. If you have seen my previous giveaway where we celebrated 50 subscribers of the channels, back then I had just one gift, which was 3-in-1 charging station. A charging station, the wireless charging station. It worked $40 value, and one viewer of the channel was the lucky winner of that prize. Today, I'm celebrating 100 subscribers of the channel. So that's very amazing, and I feel so grateful. I feel so appreciative of you all for watching my channel, for supporting, reaching out and leaving positive comments. That means a lot to me. And as I promised in my other video, I will be doing more giveaways as we go. And back then I promised that we would do another giveaway when I reach 100 subscribers. So here I am. And if you are new to the channel, in this channel we test drive cars, review cars, and for used cars we talk about cost of ownership and maintenance. And from time to time, I'll share some useful tips about my WT11 E63 AMG. So that's another reason for you to subscribe. But now back to the giveaway. Last time when I did a giveaway for hitting 50 subscribers, so many of you reached out to me and so many of you wanted to participate and gave feedback. One of the feedback was that the giveaway was too short, lasted for too short of a time. I launched it on June 1st, and on June 10th I chose a winner, and many of you said that, hey Elvin, we actually did subscribe to your channel, we actually did share your content on social network, but we just forgot to send you an email, or we thought we would do it later and you already declared the winner. So when you do your next giveaway, can you make it to last for a little longer? So I hear you guys, listen to your feedback. So this giveaway starts today on July 5th, 2020, and will last until the end of month of July of 2020. On July 30th, I will announce the winner. Some of you reached out from Germany or Australia or Malaysia and asked if you guys could participate in the giveaway. Unfortunately, not this time because of the pandemic. I'm not sure if I send something overseas, whether it's gonna get delivered, and post office is weird right now. They accept packages to certain countries, but not to all countries. So that's why, unfortunately, this time this giveaway is only for viewers from the United States of America. So it's time to reveal what the gifts are. The first gift is this. It's a beautiful iPhone 11 battery case. Let me show it. So yeah, it's this beautiful iPhone 11 battery case, and I have one of these. It comes in handy, when you cannot plug your cell phone, or you don't have electricity, for example, when hiking, etc. So it comes in really handy, and you can see it has this beautiful matte finish. That's what I really like, because these battery cases are kind of bulky. This one is not too bulky, but because there's the battery inside, it makes the cell phone a little bulky. So having this matte finish is really useful. Otherwise it would have been too slippery. So the case says that it's for iPhone 11, but if other iPhones such as iPhone 10 Max or etc. are of the same size, then it might work for you as well. I'm not sure, you could check yourself, but I know that it's for iPhone 11 and it works great, and I have one of these for myself. So this is our first gift. Now the second gift is as great as the first one. It is car seat organizer. Oops. It's this. There are 2 of them. It's a car seat organizer, one for the passenger side and one for the driver's side. So basically, you hang it from the behind of your front seat, and there are pockets, storage areas, etc. for the water bottle, etc. It's really useful, especially if you have kids sitting in the back, or you are going on for a road trip, etc. You have passengers in the back. It comes really handy. They could put their stuff in here. So this is our second gift, and now I have the last but not the least, the third gift, which is a dash cam for your car. Yes, it's a dash cam. It supports 2K. It has Wi-Fi connection, etc. And it's a dual dash cam too. So yes, guys. Let me show it to you closely. So this dash cam, you can see that it has a Wi-Fi connection. It supports 2K. It can connect to the satellite and capture your location, etc. You can map you know, kind of like tag your video on a map, etc. So it's pretty cool. And just so you know the value of it, I bought it off Amazon for $165. So this is what it is. There are like 2 cameras inside. This one is for windshield. I don't want to open the box too much so that it still looks brand new when you get it, but there's one more camera in there. So you know, this one like captures both what happens in front of the car as well as what's happening behind the car. And it has some neat features, such as, you know, it will like it stands on a standby mode, and if there is a motion, if somebody walks by your car, it automatically turns on and captures what happens. That's a really cool feature, especially when, let's say, you know, God forbid, somebody is trying to break into your car, etc. The video quality is really great. It captures, like I said, 2K. The camera sensor is actually from Sony. All right, guys, so you're probably wondering, you're probably like thinking to yourself, okay, Elvin, it's great, like we saw the prizes, so how do we get to participate? And here are the rules. The rules are just like very simple, just like as they were last time, guys. So what you have to do in order to participate and in order to enter the competition is you have to like this video, this particular video on YouTube. You have to share this video on a social network of your own choice. Could be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever social network you prefer. And also you have to be subscribed to this channel, to AccentOnCars on YouTube. And as you do those actions, you gotta make sure that you take screenshots and send them to my Gmail address, which is AccentOnCars@gmail.com, with the subject line 100 subscribers. And I'm gonna leave the instructions in the description down below if you miss it. But to recapture, you gotta like this video, you gotta share this video on a social network of your own, you gotta be subscribed to my channel, and you gotta take screenshots of all those 3 and then email them to me with the subject line of 100 giveaway. And that's it. That's as simple as it is. And on July 30th, I'm gonna draw winners. By the way, the results will be announced on my Facebook page, guys, and on my Instagram. So make sure you find and subscribe and like to AccentOnCars on Facebook, so on Instagram. And since there are 3 prizes, you probably wonder how I'm gonna choose who wins what. Both who wins and who wins what, all of it is going to be fully randomized, because I want this process to be absolutely like transparent and honest, so that kind of like computer code or randomization tool chooses who gets to win what. And you have a very high chances of winning a prize because there are 3 prizes. Everybody wins on this channel. I'm kidding. I sound like one of those guys like hosting a lottery TV show. So, but I do wish you best of luck, and I do hope that you participate. And the more people participate, the larger the channel grows, and you know, the bigger our community comes on YouTube on this channel. So enter the competition, send me the screenshots. I'm looking forward to it, and the results will be announced on my Instagram and on my Facebook. That's AccentOnCars on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much, and see you in the future episodes. Bye now.